Live from downtown Bakersfield, 23 ABC News at 5 starts now.
Good evening. A Delano man spent decades behind bars on death row for a crime he did not commit. Now that 69-year-old Vicente Benavides has been exonerated of those false rape and murder charges. He's now filed a civil rights lawsuit today against Kern County.
23 ABC's Tori Cooper was in downtown Los Angeles today. She tells us what attorneys representing Benavides are now saying.
I'm here in downtown Los Angeles at the U.S. federal courthouse where 69-year-old Vicente Benavides spoke briefly about the pain and suffering that he endured while he was spending 25 years on death row after he was convicted of the murder and rape of a 21-month-old toddler. His attorneys announcing today that they filed a civil rights lawsuit on his behalf and that they're ready to go to trial if necessary.
Pasé 25 años en el corredor de la muerte.
I was there 25 years on death row.
69-year-old Vicente Benavides of Delano doing his best to contain his emotions today during a press conference in the front of the U.S. federal courthouse in Los Angeles. Benavides was sentenced to life in prison in 1993 for raping and killing 21-month-old Consuelo Verdugo in November of 1991.
Por un crimen que no cometí.
For a crime I did not commit.
After spending 25 years on death row and a total of 26 years in the San Quentin prison, the California Supreme Court re-examined Benavides' case last year.
On March 12, 2018, the California Supreme Court, after evaluating the false evidence provided by county medical examiners and also the testimony of coerced witnesses, vacated his conviction in its entirety and granted his habeas petition.
The Supreme Court determined false evidence was provided during the trial and a sexual assault did not occur. His attorneys arguing the baby's injuries were consistent with a car crash.
And all the evidence shows that she likely died from being struck by a motor vehicle in the carport where she was found.
The court revoked the death penalty and Benavides was released from prison last year. His attorneys filed a civil rights lawsuit today seeking justice for Benavides for his time spent in prison.
This is about announcing to the world, and particularly announcing to Kern County and the city of Delano, that such injustice will not go unaddressed.
The suit includes the city of Delano, the Kern County pathologist, the district attorney's office, and the deputy district attorney who prosecuted Benavides. Robert Carbone standing by his original belief in an interview with 23 ABC back in March of 2018 when Benavides became a free man.
I believe that he's guilty and that he is a danger to children.
Last year, former District Attorney Lisa Green announced her decision not to retry Benavides for second-degree murder, but she said she was still weary about his innocence.
He shouldn't have been on death row for 26 years. I believe that he did kill this child.
Today, the Delano Police Department and the District Attorney's Office saying they do not comment on pending litigation.
Yo amaba Consuelo.
I loved Consuelo.
Como si fuera mi propia hija.
As if she was my own daughter.
Y nunca hiciera nada para lastimarla.
And I would never do and did not do anything to ever hurt her.
Now, it's unclear how much money Benavides is seeking in regards to this lawsuit, but we will continue to bring you updates as we learn more here and on our website, turn23.com. But for now, in downtown Los Angeles, I'm Tori Cooper for 23 ABC News, connecting you.